Hi guys.
Started.
Yeah.
Hey
What's up, guys?
So we're going to be trading fidgets.
Welcome back to another video
Yes.
on my channel.
Yes, on his channel, but I like to say hey guys as well.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be trading fidgets.
And Vinny's the cameraman because
Yeah.
he's the best cameraman in the world.
As always.
Yeah.
So we've got.
My fidget.
Yep. So what fidget is it? What fidget is it?
It's like a fidget spinner. Pop it.
Pop It fidget spinner. And then this is actually mine, but we're going to be trading it. And it's a gaming remote control, which technically it has everything to game with. And I think everyone knows what these are.
Poppets.
Poppets, and it's Among Us. I bet everyone knows what the game Among Us is. And then we've got this, like, I don't know what this is really called, but I think it's like a stress.
Yeah, I have one and I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, I think, and then you have to sort of like match it up and stuff to make sure it has straight lines, and it's so fun to play with. Because I just found that downstairs, that in Lexi's bedroom, this is Lexi's bedroom, and that's...
And my sister took my fidget off me.
Well, my stepsister took that off my She's not my stepsister. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's carry on. Okay, so who's going to trade first?
Vin, your choice. You're the cameraman.
So who do you want to trade first?
Rudy.
Okay, Rudy, what do you want to
I'll
trade?
trade you
Mhm.
this for that. Are you going to accept?
Okay, challenge accepted. Thank you. I got my fidget back. My first trade. Okay.
And I got Lexi's fidget.
You don't get to, well, you do get to keep it, but yeah. So, who's trading next?
You.
Yeah, it's
Okay, I'm gonna trade this for that.
Okay, fine.
Yay! So, I'm gonna show you what this actually does. It's this fidget spinner, and I can do this really cool trick.
I'll trade you. Okay, I'll trade you this for that. Accept. I've accepted.
Decline.
Come on.
Okay, so who's trading next, Vinny?
It's your turn.
Okay, I'll trade you this for that.
Accepted. You accepted?
Accept. Yay.
Yeah, I got my fidget back.
So this is technically what it does. You have to like do this with it and stuff, and it's so much fun. I'm just going to line it up because I don't like it when it's all messy. Oh, that's just big. No, don't! You're going to trap my feet. What is that?
That is my stuff.
Okay. So I'm just going to line all this up. You can like play with the gaming control. So whose turn is it next to trade?
It's mine.
Yeah. Okay, so
Right. I'll trade you this for that. Accept.
I like this puppet. Accept. Yay.
2 puppets.
Oh, is that what you wanted? I never thought of that. At least I've got my gaming control fidget back. Okay, my turn next. We need to get more fidgets.
Yeah.
I don't know where any are though. Okay, so I'll trade you this.
For nothing.
No, it's my turn. Wait, let me straighten it out. I'll trade you this for fidget spinner.
Decline.
You can't decline all the time. Okay. your
I've
turn to
only
trade.
declined once.
I've declined once.
Yo.
Okay, what are you trading? You have to trade something.
I'll trade you this.
Okay. Accept. Yay! I love this puppet. It's so good because look at it. Hear the sound. Shh.
And listen to the sound of this one.
Yeah, that was so good. Listen to the sound of this.
And listen to the sound of this.
That's it. That's so good. Okay.
Your turn.
I'm gonna trade this for the fidget spinner.
Guess what? Decline. I'll trade you this for nothing. Accept.
No.
Yeah?
I have to give you something. Oh wait, is it for free?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Accept.
Not for nothing. Accept.
Yay. I got 3 fidgets.
And I got my one and only. Right. I think that's going to wrap it up for this video. So.
Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video.
And tell the instructions what we should do.
You should like, subscribe, and hit all the notification bells so you'll never ever miss a video. And peace!